In Florida right now, there's a tropical storm, or no, not a tropical storm. It's just really raining on like past week. It's just like been hot, humid, raining. Really, like my friend, his uncle lives in New York, and he said it was 116 out like a week ago or something. This is just insane. And yesterday there was about probably 2 inches of rain in that straight right there. Oh my god, that's insane. I haven't seen this in a long time. But yeah. I mean, yeah, there goes the trees. There's it raining. Or moving a bit. Try to get a few. There. I mean, there goes the UPS. He has to come. Because some people just want the packages like, and it's like really annoying. I'm gonna try this. Yeah, right there. And it's like, wow. It's been like this all week. Yeah. It's been like this all week. Alright guys.